In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a list of all channels that you have on Slack. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to see a list of all the channels that you have, first you can see all the channels using this channel summary option here. So if you click on this channels option, it will list all the channels. However, if your list is too long, then let me show you a shortcut method to find all of them. For that, just go to directories. Now under directories, if you go ahead and click all channels, here you'll be able to see all the channels that you joined and that are available in your workspace. You can also go ahead and filter the type of channels that you want to see. If you want to see the public channels, you'll be able to see them here. You can also see private channels as well as archived channels here. So that's how you can find a list of all channels that you have on your workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.